a definite place to come when it's windy in Albuquerque, because in this canyon there is no high winds. It just goes over. This canyon runs I think this is heading south. No, it's heading east. This canyon is heading east to west, I think. Who knows? I'll have to look it up in a map. So I went on this trail until I got into that little canyon there. But I don't know what was going on there. I heard some sort of a noise on the trees, and I got a wrong sense, so I turned back. But I'll go exploring it with at least another person. There's safety in numbers out here. And then I tried this birdhouse ridge, but it's really an incline and narrow path next to a ravine, so I didn't bring my hiking sticks again, and so I'll come back when I have my walking sticks. And today I feel dizzy. There are some days that I feel dizzy, other days I'm okay. I think the problem was that I ate this morning at 9 or 8:30, I don't know, I got hungry. And what I have found out is that the best time to go hiking is during a fast, during an 18-hour fast. Then go hiking for 3 or 4 hours, and then have the first meal at the 20-hour mark. 20 hours of fasting, have the first meal, and then later on in 4 to 5 more hours I have my second meal. Like I said, I like looking at the rocks for fossils.